new video. How you're doing? Hope you're well. So today is installation day.
Yeah.
We've been looking forward to doing this bit for a while. We've had all the bits delivered and ready to do, and today's the day we're actually doing it.
Yeah. So first off, it's sound deadening. We're just going to do one wall at a time and one section at a time as well, because we don't know how much aluminium foil tape we got left after using it yesterday for the floor. And Rob couldn't pick any up today when he went to Wickes because they didn't have any. So yeah, we'll see how much we get done and how much we have of that. But yeah, like Tava said, really look forward to this part, because once we start getting this in, then it really starts to feel like a camper van, because obviously you're insulating it and stuff. But yeah, we're going to crack straight on with it, because there's a couple of things we want to try and get done today. One is the insulation and sound deadening, and then the second is maybe try and get the ladder on the back door. But that obviously, that's like secondary. So primary is just to try and get all the sound deadening done, and then all the insulation. We're not going to do the roof either, because we need to put roof vents and solar panels and stuff on the roof.
Yeah, and we're not sure what we're getting yet, so there's no point doing it, because we're just going to waste stuff.
Yeah, so hopefully in the next couple of days we'll be ordering all that sort of stuff, and the window as well. But yeah, like I said, this wall here and the wall opposite, we can get them done today. And then the roof and the doors we'll have to do at a later date once we've got the roof vents in and the solar panels in. Alright, so I thought we'd do a quick comparison of how much difference the actual sound deadening makes. I'm going to get Tubber to knock on the outside now. That's how loud it is. And then we'll get her to knock on the outside once we've actually done the sound deadening. Just on this wall though, it won't be done on the whole van. Just on this little bit, and then we can all hear how much of a difference it actually makes. Right, so this is the sound deadening we're actually using. It's like the proper heavy sound deadening sheets. It feels like metal, it's that heavy. But this is the brand. We'll leave a link for this in the description, because I think we got it from eBay. So we'll leave a link for it if you're interested in the exact same stuff. We bought 3 boxes of it, and hopefully that's enough. So as we've done one like section of the wall now, I thought I'll just quickly show you actually how you use it, just in case you wanted to know. It's very simple. It's the same as like that black foam that we used. It's like you just peel the back off and it's sticky. One thing you do need though, which we didn't actually know about, is you need like a roller. And Rob gave us this roller because he bought it when he did his one, and he was the one who told us you had to use this, because we were just going to stick it on by hand. But he said you need one of these, so yeah, this is actually helpful, but it is a bit of a arm ache to use. Dead simple, like the rest of the stuff really, just literally peel off the back, stick it on, and then squeeze over it with this, and that's it, job done. All of the sound deadening is now done. We actually did like the roof, both walls, all the doors and everything like that. And we'll get Tabitha to actually test it now. Can you tell the difference? It definitely sounds a lot better when you're knocking around on the inside, like on the roof and stuff. It sounds much better than it did before. But now we've got that done, we was going to get on with like putting the black foam everywhere. But before we do that, we're actually going to try and install the ladder on the back door, because once the ladder's in on the back door, then we can pretty much put that black foam everywhere apart from where we're putting the window. But then it means we can really get on with insulation and all that sort of stuff. So I'll take you around the back, show you the ladder, because Rob actually gave us the ladder, so sound Rob for that. And we will show you what ladder it is and how we're going to try and mount it and stuff. So this is the ladder that Rob gave us. It's like a Rhino ladder. I don't know what van it's for. He bought it for his Boxer. I don't know if they're universal or anything, but I think we can make it fit on that door there. Hopefully we can. So that's the ladder there, and obviously it's a black one, so it's beaut. So when we paint the van green, it'll match nicely, because it's all going to be green and black. And then that's all the bits and bobs that we need to figure it out, and obviously how to mount it and stuff. We need to do a test fit, like before we drill any holes, just to make sure it actually fits on this van. But we're going to have a brew first, because we ain't had one for a while. Alright, so we've made the ladder up and offered it up to the actual door, and you can see these little black dots, and that's basically where we've got to drill. This is the, I hate doing this. We hated doing this on the VW T5 as well, and it's no different on this one. Cutting holes in a van that is future, like it's going to be a future home, is not nice at all, but it's got to be done. So let's cut some holes and whack the door on the back. It's up to us. So won't you give me your emotions? You've been hiding them for way too long. Alright, so that was an absolute nightmare to fit. Basically, because obviously it's not made for this van, the whole positioning and stuff wasn't quite in the right place, and we actually did like a couple of bits of it wrong, because we didn't have the instruction manual to follow. But it is on now and it's solid, which is all good. But I'll quickly walk you through what actually like causes issues. Basically, on the inside, we put these the wrong way around. So we put one down here, and then that one was actually up there, And as you can see, I ended up cutting that because it wouldn't fit down there. That probably should have been a clue, really, saying that it should have been up there. But yeah, so now we've swapped them all around, Sikaflex around the holes and stuff. And then it was mainly just the holes were in the wrong place, so I had to like re-drill these metal bars just to make sure they fitted properly. But I think that's going to be it for today. We've got the door sorted. Basically, at the top of the door as well, the top latch, as you can see now, is not on properly, so sometimes it don't hook. So yeah, we've got to make sure that hooks better. Might just need some like WD-40 and stuff on it. But for today, that's it, because it's already pitch black. But we've got obviously the sound deadening done and the light ladder on the back door, which is really good. But yeah, we're going to end it here. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow.